In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to use the new Quicksnap feature on Instagram. Let's get started. A fun way to send temporary photos to your friends or groups, just like Snapchat. Launch your Instagram app. Now navigate to the conversations page. Once you're over here at the top, you're gonna find this section of notes. Along with that, you're gonna find this Quicksnap feature, or at the right hand side of your conversations page, you're gonna find the option of Quicksnap. You'll need to click on it. With that, you'll be directed to this page. Now clicking on this drop down, you can select whether you want to share your Quicksnap with friends or the close friends. After you select it, take a snap, add a caption, and clicking on this icon, you can send it. After taking the picture, it will appear in the lower left corner ready to send. Your Quicksnap will then be shared as a temporary photo, meaning it disappears after being viewed. Perfect for quick fun moments with your friends. And that's it. You have just learned how to use and send Quicksnaps on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share.